Now see the problem number 3. Find the area of the region bounded by x square equal to 4y, y equal to 2, y equal to 4, and the y axis in the first quadrant, Okay, solution. The given curve equal to x square equal to 4y. That means x square equal to 4y means parabola. The given curve is parabola, x square equal to 4y. Open in top open parabola. So this is a x square equal to 4y. And the line y equal to 2 and y equal to 4, and the y axis means x equal to 0. X equal to 0 in the first quadrant. Okay, this is a given diagram. Okay, this is one is a upper one, this is lower one. The limit is 2 to 4. Area equal to integration of c to d modulus of x2 minus x1 into dy. Modulus of x2 minus x1 into dy. So x square equal to 4y equal to x2. X equal to square root of 4y, that is 2 into root y. X equal to 2 into root y, that is a x2. The another one x1 equal to 0. Okay, that is equal to 2 to 4. The limit equal to 2 to 4. Modulus of 2 into root y minus 0 into dy. Integration of 2 to 4. Modulus of 2 root y minus 0 into dy. Okay, the limit is 2 to 4. The x2 curve is 2 into root y. x1 curve is 0. Okay. So we know that integration of 2 to 4 modulus of 2 into root y minus 0 into dy, that is equal to integration of 2 to 4 2 into root y dy. To take the outside of the integral, that is equal to 2 into integration of 2 to 4 square root of y into dy equal to 2 into integration of 2 to 4 square root of y means y power 1 by 2 into dy. Y power 1 by 2 into dy, that is equal to 2 into integration of y power 1 by 2 equal to y power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. The limit is 2 to 4, that is equal to 2 into 3 by 2, take the reciprocal, 2 by 3 into y power 3 by 2, 2 to 4, that is equal to 2 to 4, 4 by 3 into y power 3 by 2, the limit equal to 2 to 4. Substituting the upper limit, y equal to 4 minus of lower limit, y equal to 2, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2 equal to 4 divided by 3, 4 into root 4 minus 2 into root 2. So 4 power 1 plus 1 by 2, that means 4 power root 4 minus 2 into root 2, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 4 into 2 minus 2 into root 2. 2 is a common, take the outside, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 2 into 4 minus root 2, that is equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 divided by 3 into 4 minus root 2. Therefore, area equal to 8 by 3 into 4 minus root 2 square unit. Okay, this is the result of the question number 3. Thank you.